Hello everyone, this is Samir Ansari and today I am showing you a ultra luxury premium 4 BHK flat in Rustomjee Seasons. Yes, you are right. It's located in Bandra East, which is very close to BKC. Majority of the people living in this buildings are bankers or working in the big MNCs. So it has a very beautiful sun deck and you can see the Vadala, BKC and also a partial sea view from this apartment. The building is having all the amenities you can imagine, like each and everything. It is a semi-furnished to fully furnished space in which you have everything present. So this is your first room which has an attached washroom in it. You can use as a kids room also, whatever you feel like. The best part of this building and apartment is that it is having an absolutely open view, and this will be a lifetime view. The washroom is neatly done up. Now let us see the bedrooms. First, before that, we'll see the kitchen. As you can see, the kitchen is entirely modular. Each and everything is beautifully done up. You have your washing machine, your separate dry area. It's very important in Mumbai. Where do you dry your area? It's a 4 BHK flat, so it has 4 rooms. This is your common washroom. And now let me show you the second master bedroom. Just look at the wardrobe. It's nicely done up, very neatly, very precise. So this is the third room which you can convert into a storage, kids room, whatsoever you feel like. Again, it has a wardrobe, showcase and everything. It has a sofa cum bed. Again, an absolutely open view. It's totally fantabulous. Now let us go to the master bedroom and explore that area also. The wardrobes are so nicely done up and it has so beautiful lighting. The bed is a king size in which you can place a study table also, because this is at least 14 by 12 and very neatly washroom done up, like very neatly. This is at the most affordable rate because in this building the flat goes for 2 lakh rupees, but I can get it down to 1.8, and that's it. It has all the modern amenities, and let's hope. Yeah, absolutely fine. So this is Samir Ansari signing off. Hope you all have a great day and please subscribe and like my channel. Thank you.